To install Microsoft Edge in Ubuntu 24.04, do a Google search for Microsoft Edge deb file download. Click on the Microsoft link, scroll down and click Linux deb. When it's done downloading, in a terminal, cd to your downloads, then type sudo apt install /Microsoft star.deb. When it's done installing, close the terminal and you can open up Edge from your menu. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.